okeyo. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kinyima kawuono oketo koke chik mar gero udi maneonge oyweyo makoro keto chik mar juogo jo Kenya 1.5 mar osachgi dwe ka dwe. Notelo nyasino manotimore pare ma Nairobi kosire kod jokanyo mopogore mag piny owacho. Od bura mamalo kod Senate ne okadho chik makamano. Jatend piny omedo jiwo ni chenrono dhi loso tije ne rawere ma pachoka ka osingo ne onge mibadhi mora mora mabiro kwako chenro makamano.
So that after assent, the bill provides a commencement. Naturally, this provides implementation of the affordable housing program. It creates a board for purposes of administering the affordable housing programs. That board, Your Excellency, is mandated to undertake certain things in law. The bill also establishes 4 components of affordable housing, including the social housing unit, which is for persons who are earning less than 20,000 per month. The middle class, which is for persons who are earning between above 49,000, and the general affordable housing for persons who are earning between 20,000 and 149,000, Your Excellency.
Excellency, we have 45,525 units under construction, Your Excellency, under your leadership. We have already advertised for contracting purposes and tendering 48,988 units, which we should be taking off by way of signing the contracts in the next 1 month.
Categories karibu 3 ya ujenzi wa kuna social houses ambaye mortgage yake itakuwa
3,200
na mortgage 3%. Mortgage yake ni 3%, na tunatumia hii fund subsidize ndio yako ikuje 3%. Tutakuwa na mortgage ya 6% kwa wale watu wa affordable housing na mortgage ya 9% kwa wale watu wa market rate. Saa hii mortgage katika taifa letu la Kenya iko 18-20%, lakini through this program, kupitia kwa mpango huu, ndio tutaweza to create more home owners by making it realistic and possible kwa watu kama wewe Meshak kupata uwezo wa kulipa shilingi 3,000, na ni kwa sababu tumeondoa mambo mengi kwa program ya